to create a game and try to get it popular. First, this is my cat clicker. And this is how you view it. And see inside. And look here, 107 blocks. If this is the only thing that I mean. And this. And this is how you view it. First. And then I'll put create. And then put a when green flag clicked. The most basic thing forever. And I just need the head. So let me just delete this part of the scratch cat and delete this costume again. Center it and forever grab an if else and an if. Touch the mouse pointer. And if mouse down, then wait until not mouse down. And then put a if touch mouse pointer again. But not the if else, the if. I'm using scratch add-ons so I can do this. First of the scratch add-ons thing, and then rename this and change it to score and for all sprite later. Set score to 0 and then put a when green flag clicked and the forever and put a plus, then a times and a times and the apps and change it to sign. Put it here, put it here, put it here, and put it here. And this put 90 and here put nothing, here put 100, here put 10. And then you use our timer. That it will give us that. So put it on a pointing direction. Put it on a forever. And then if touching mouse pointer, then change score by 1. The basic And then we haven't put it in our else. So let me just duplicate this and delete this. Even the plus, change this to 5 and switch it to ZY. Well, not ZY, but go to XY. And this, it will give us this thing. So first, in the looks category, put the change size by 10, but we don't want it to stay like that. So in the else, put change size by, and then we have to do this formula. And here put 2 to 5 and duplicate this and 275 times 10 and no, not undo. So let me put this here and clean up and put this here. And I perfectly like to stay like that. And now we need a show. This is as basic as it gets. So delete this meow sound and put finger snap here. And now here put change here is the touchy mouse pointer. Put a start sound finger snap until done. And clean up. And now I'll duplicate this and not set. So I'm going to 3 to 5 and I'll change it to set size. And I think that it's better to put this in a when there is pretty clit. And now clean up. And now first in the when this price is clicked, we need to make a little thing in the looks, set and set. Set color effect to 10, else set color to not set color, brightness and brightness effect to 100. And in the stage, in the backdrop, make a full rectangle and then saturation 100 and color, yeah, like that. And now, here's the magic. Convert to bitmap and convert to vector. And then front and put it a little bit like that. And Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and this is how you make the simple backdrop. And then not convert to bitmap, so first this and this, and now this, and fill it with this. Oh, oh. This means that we don't need it to convert it to bitmap. So in vector, well, we can't do anything because of, well, you know what? And now here, now delete this and put it a rectangle with this color and put it to the back. And now put it like this and put it like that. And now convert to bitmap for the two. And then convert to vector. And now the code, it won't be like too much of it, but I think it's better like this. And wait 0.1 seconds. And forever now, not next backdrop, but change color effect by 1. And now this is what we wanted to. And this is how you can code this. Save your project and bye.